Hi guys! I'm back with another recipe and today we're making my version of spaghetti. So, ang mga ingredients natin are as follows. We have some lean ground beef. I have fresh mushrooms, garlic, onion, and diced hot dogs. I also have my pepper, sugar, banana ketchup or any other ketchup that you have. I have fish sauce, of course, my pasta sauce, olive oil, and I also have two kinds of cheese. I have cheddar cheese and cream cheese, and of course my spaghettini. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, so we'll start the dish by adding about 2 tablespoons of our oil, and then we can start adding in our onions. We'll cook until it's translucent in color. Then we can add our other ingredients. Okay, so now that our onions are cooked, I can start adding in our lean ground beef. And let this brown. Okay, so while this is browning, we can start adding in a little salt para ma-season lang natin yung meat, and then continue browning. Okay, so after about 2 minutes, brown na yung ating meat. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating diced hot dogs. We'll let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can start adding in our mushrooms. Okay, so now that the hot dogs are cooked, we can add in our mushrooms. Mix well. And wait for it to cook. At the same time, guys, I started boiling my water for my pasta. I'm gonna add a little salt just to flavor the water. And then we can add in our pasta. So, depende sa pasta ninyo, mine will take around 7 minutes to cook. Okay, so now we'll just wait for 7 minutes until the pasta is cooked. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add a little salt dito sa ating mixture just to season our mushrooms and all our other ingredients. Okay, so luto na ang ating mushrooms. I'm gonna add in our garlic. And we'll wait around 2 minutes. And then we can start adding in our pasta sauce. Okay, 2 minutes has passed and our garlic is cooked. Add na natin yung ating pasta sauce. So what I do, guys, I put a little more water here and then I shake it para hindi masayang yung mga pasta sauce na natitira, okay? So there's a little water in here. I'm gonna shake it. At this time, I'm also gonna add in my banana ketchup. Not a lot, probably 2 to 3 tablespoons. Also, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 2. A little pepper. And about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we'll mix well, and then we'll cover this and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, now that it's bubbling away, guys, pwede ko nang i-add yung ating diced cheddar cheese. Remember not to put it on medium high. Mga nasa medium low lang, pwede na. We'll wait para mag-melt yung ating cheese. At the same time, dadagdagan ko siya ng konting pepper. Okay, so slowly, ayan, nakikita natin nagme-melt na yung ating cheddar cheese. I'm also gonna add in a few tablespoons of cream cheese. 1 and 2. Low heat lang, guys, para mag-fully melt yung ating cheese. Now, at this time, pwede nyo nang tikman yung ating, yung inyong sauce. And if you lack pepper, salt, or sugar, now's the time to add it, okay? Pero I tasted it already and it's good to my liking. So, yung final step ko nga is yung cheese na ilalagay. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this again one last time. I'll let it boil and then we have our dish. Okay, guys. So, teka, meron pang hindi nagme-melt na konting cream cheese, okay? But slowly, it's getting there. So, I hope, guys, you enjoyed my video sa version ko ng aking spaghetti. Please let me know what you think. Give this a try and thank you for watching.